Welcome to Visual Edge by Goldeye, the ultimate business intelligence and risk management tool for your brokerage. Visual Edge not only provides you with a full risk management suite for all aspects of your brokerage, including the balancing of your A-book and B-book clients through user-friendly visual interfaces, it also allows you to instantly capture your capital requirements and client trading activities as required by regulators. As the name implies, Visual Edge gives you complete visual oversight of all aspects of your business, from monitoring the key metrics that drive your business, increasing profits by optimizing client trade flow, reducing losses by monitoring toxic clients and unwanted scalpers, monitoring exposure with email alerts, generating reports to support your regulatory requirements. If your brokerage is currently using outdated methods to manage risk and fulfill your reporting obligations, such as manual spreadsheets and systems that simply are not integrated, you are likely spending far too much money and time, and you may not be compliant. Every department in your brokerage will find the benefits of Visual Edge invaluable, from risk management to the dealing desk, to compliance, to finance, and even to marketing. Visual Edge is easy to deploy, integrated into MT4 and MT5 or any trading platform, and can also integrate data across multiple servers. It is often prudent to keep track of scalpers. Here, you can create a scalpers plotter to search for scalpers by the duration of each position, the volume they are trading, their profit per trade and overall, and perhaps create a separate group to shift to A-book or to modify their spreads. We may also create a workbook for live and historic activity based on a time profile where, for example, you monitor clients trading around volatile news events. Warning flags and audible alerts can be configured and displayed, and anything created in the Analyzer window can be downloaded in CSV for reporting or further analysis. Also, in your Analyzer window, you have oversight into profit and loss and exposure by business, client by client, symbols and sub-symbols, and even by geographic regions, and the drill down may be set up in a multitude of configurations. A comprehensive backend allows you to create and rearrange headers for each column. Another useful view is a client analysis workbook of winners and losers where you can create a margin call list, top clients, and of course, biggest winners and losers where we can determine A-book and B-book status. A major benefit for the broker is the ability to profile each client and have Visual Edge not only display critical statistics, but to make recommendations by displaying the optimum book in which to place each client, profit opportunities, loss mitigation opportunities, that trader's trading style, and of course a graphic representation of that trader's history. In your chart window, you have a simple pie chart that shows your live data by symbol with volumes traded and the percentage for each one. This can be easily reconfigured to show different chart types such as line charts or bar charts. In your client card window, you have oversight over individual account details, and another extremely useful tool for any broker is the ability to determine if a client is posing as many different traders with multiple accounts. Thanks for watching. This has been a brief overview of Goldeye's Visual Edge. Contact us now to see how Visual Edge can streamline your compliance requirements, shore up your risk management, and make your brokerage more profitable.